Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a what's in my diaper bag. I actually did this over on my Instagram on my IGTV. So since I recorded it vertically and not horizontally, I didn't want to upload it to my YouTube because it would have looked super weird. So I wanted to show you guys on here, so I'm going to re-record everything and show you guys what's in my diaper bag. So I have two littles. I have Michael, who is a toddler. He's 2.5, and then I have John. He's 9 months old. So it's kind of what they need is different, if that makes sense. But then there are a lot of things that is very similar. So I use my Fawn design diaper bag. It is my favorite diaper bag ever. You can actually carry it over the shoulder, or it also has the backpack style. So personally, it just depends. If I'm going out by myself, I still bring this. I just use the shoulder, but if I'm with the boys, I usually just put it on my back because it's so much easier being able to pick up the boys and not have a bag falling over. Alright, so I'm going to open it up. It has a lot of room and a lot of space in here. All the storage, they have a pocket in the front and another little pocket that zips. They have two on the side. And the two on the side I have, right now I put in the diaper rash cream, and then I have the fave spray on that side because I needed it recently to be easier to access. And then inside, this is what it looks like. There's a lot of room. I have so much. And it looks like Michael might be coming in to interrupt us. You want to come sit next to Mama? Come here. You want to sit down?
Bye.
Bye. Can Mommy work? Alright, thank you. Alright, so I have my camera. I have my Fawn design wallet. It's the leopard, and it is so amazing. I literally have everything I need all in one wallet. In here is just a little pouch that I put like Michael's Kool-Aid because he doesn't really drink water unless he has some type of flavoring, and I need to stop that because I know they're really bad for us. Some more hand sanitizer, a little teething pacifier, and then I have some chapsticks and lipsticks for myself. And then I also have some Camellia teething, and I think, yeah, the teething little thingies. And an extra battery for my camera. I usually have my vlogging camera in here as well. Gotta have wipes, obviously. These save us for everything. Another camera lens. We got Michael running back in. Hi, baby. This is just mom life. It's real life. Formula for John, ready to go. We got the Go-Go Squeeze pouches for Michael. Hi, baby. We got teething toys.
Ow.
You want to come sit next to Mama? All right, come on. Here. Sit down right here. And I'm going to give you, what do you want? You want the toys? These, right? You want this? All right. We have an extra outfit for John. You want me to do, okay.
Shoot.
Okay, I will get it for you in just a minute. An extra outfit for Michael.
Shoot.
More diaper rash cream. Cards for Michael. Heidi's gonna notice and want them. I should have closed the door. Oh wait, this is the extra outfit for Michael, and then that was another one for John. So I have two outfits for John and one for Michael, since a 9-month-old is more likely to have a blowout compared to my 2.5-year-old. Inside the front little pocket, I have a hand purifier and more chapstick. See if I have anything in the zipper. No. Alright, and then I also have diapers, and I have those right on one of the sleeves. These are Michael's and John's diapers. Alright, baby. Sit right here. If you want to stay here, play with your toys. Thank you. And then I think that may be it. That's chapstick. Can I have it? Thank you. Why? Because it's Mama's. So I'm going to show you guys the inside right now. So there's a lot of room in there. And then it has all those different slots to put the diapers, the wipes, whatever you need. I also usually bring a water bottle or something for the formula, and then obviously a bottle that I don't have in here right now because we're not going nowhere anytime soon, today at least. And then on the back, it's very deep, and you can fit in a tablet, or you can even fit in the diaper changing mats in there. And then there's another little pocket that I usually put my laptop in, or you can just put also the diaper changing mat in there as well, or a tablet. And that is it. So that's everything that's in my diaper bag whenever we go out. You know, it might be a short trip, it might be a long trip, but it fits so much in there, and we seriously are so in love with Fawn Design. We have been using their diaper bag since Michael was a baby, so like 2 years now. It's been a very long time, and we love them. But this is also one of their puffs, and I have another one, but it's black, and sometimes I feel like black and brown don't match, but then sometimes they do. It just depends. But that is what I'm using right now. I do have some other diaper bags of theirs, and then I can do another one of these if you guys enjoy them. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. If you are not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be more active as I can. And then don't forget to like this video, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.